Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Mojave Silver Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a nice dark wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, an LED logo projected on the ground when you open the door, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel control with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. We've got a 10.25 high resolution media display, which is now touchscreen. A rear view backup camera. Also new to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX, which is our artificial intelligence. You can give it voice commands by saying, "Hey my Mercedes! Hey my Mercedes!
How may I help you?
Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands and it will do so. We've got dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, a wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic flex for different driving settings. This GLC 300 only has 2,286 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC, check out feldmanimports.com.